Hey people! Today I am going to make a video for singing. Because you know I make lots of them. Like, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeet. Here goes nothing. If I could get this to turn up. Okay, let's play this. Stop! What to do? Some superheroes, some fairy tales, looking for somebody else's killing games. Try this again. Many books of old, legends and the myths. You know, I'm just gonna be singing this because, you know, it doesn't like me. Actually, if I go back in here and do that, I might find something. Sorry about that. Reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Hercules and his gold, Hercules and his games, Spider-Man's control, Batman with his fist. Completely, I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for some superheroes, some superhero, some fairy tale place. Someone I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Do 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 do. I want something just like this. Do 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 do. You know, this song is bad. It won't. It's like I can't find a single one. What can we do? Yum. Okay, we could do, Friends by Marshmallow Money. Really, I don't see myself on that list. Why don't I put karaoke? I probably spelled it wrong, but I don't care. Let's see. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Karaoke. Whatever. As long as I can do it. Get ready for my sucky singing. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. You say you love me, I say you're crazy. We're nothing more than friends. I love him more like a brother. I knew you since we were like 10. Yeah. Don't listen up, talking that. Don't you wanna push me away, that's it. You say you love me, that makes me crazy. Here we go. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going away without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them being polite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't made it obvious, haven't made it clear. Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't made it obvious, haven't made it clear. Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S, F-R-I-N-D-S. You say you're looking insane, turn up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain's pouring. Haven't we been here before? Yeah. Don't mess it up, talking that. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you no shame, you looking insane. Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going away without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them being polite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Made it clear. Spell it out for you. F-I-N-D-S. Haven't made it obvious. Haven't made it clear. I swear I want me spell it out for you. I'll spell it out for F-R-I-E-N-D-S. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. That's how you spell friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that inside your head. No, oh, yeah, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going away without a fight. Oh my god. Being polite. Told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't made it obvious. Haven't made it clear. Spell it out for you. F-R-I-N-D-S-F-I-E-N-D-S. Obvious. I made it very clear. F-R-I-N-D-S-I-E-N. Ooh, 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 oh, oh. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this another karaoke sing-along. And I'm sorry for my little slip up in there, but I hope you enjoyed. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please to like and subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bell right down here after you press subscribe. I don't know, I'm subscribing to her, but whatever. Make sure to click that notification bell to get notifications every time I upload and post a new video.